Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Sunday night. It is June 12th, 2022. It's late. It may be early Monday morning where you are. It's a little bit after 11 p.m. Central. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. Wanted to get you guys caught up here. We'll start with the Qs like we usually do. The November high here. We have 1 down in parentheses, 2 up there, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down for the 1 with a circle around it. There's wave 2. We're in wave 3, and we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the first wave or the third wave. This is where it gains equality right here. That was a direct hit on our 280 target. If this is 3, then 4 could not go above the wave 1 low, which was 317. It didn't, and it's tanking. So we'll see where that goes. For this 5 waves down here, this is a retracement up here. We can look for the next target around, well, we got 255, 242, and a cluster of targets right around 224. But actually, I want to do that a little differently. We already know that equaled 3 down here, equaled 1. So if that is 4, let's wipe this out here, okay? In case that is subdividing, and this is if it's not, we can get wave 5 target right there. I think that's pretty close. And that gives us 223 for our equality if 5 equals 1. I'll swing 5 down there. That's what we're looking at if this really is a 3 or it is just one of 3. We'll have to see how that plays out. We had the other target up there, and that is for it. If it is 3, and that is 4 up here, held to make or break, and there's the 5 target. Okay, I want to touch on the US 10-year because we've had this up for a while, and we had a completed 5-wave pattern, as you can see, going way back to the March 2000 lows of 0.333%. Talk about the one market that's gained the most is interest rates, of course. Actually, let's see what that is while we're here. What is this gain from 0.333 up to there? How about an 859% gain? Wow, 791 days. That's pretty good. And that's into the May 9th high, that 3.203 for our newsletter subscribers and for rating services. We were short against that high, and as soon as it goes above there, we're back long again. And that is 3.203, and right now it's sitting at, did it make it? 3.202. Okay, very close, and now it's 3.19. This is live as we're speaking, so we'll watch that. We really want to get into the ES today. This is a daily chart from the all-time high in January. You can see the first 5 waves down for A. Then we have a 3-wave correction for B. And then we've got another 5 waves down for C, which makes a larger wave A, which should have a circle around it. I don't like the way I'll put it on there just for technical things. I don't like the way they do them, but what the heck. Let me throw it on there so we don't get confused with the degree of trend. There we go. It's a little big. Anyway, so from there it looked like a 1, 2, 3, and we were looking at a possible 4th wave triangle with a throw under. This is not a throw under. This is impulsive to the downside. It took out what would have been this wave 1 high right over here, so it wasn't a 4 as of Friday trading during the day. It's something else, okay? It looks like the B wave is complete. As you can see here, the 382 in purple retracement was 41.89, and that made it to 42.02. That was an almost perfect 382. Didn't make it to the 500, which is up here. So once it breaks below this A wave low at 38.07, that's confirmation. We had 2 other ones, and like I said, one of them was the break of this high here. So once we get through there, then we know wave C is coming, and the first target for wave C is 32.01 if C equals A. C is like a 3rd wave. It is a 3rd wave. A is 1 and B is 2nd and C is 3. So it should be sharp and swift and a lot different angle of descent. You can see the 45-degree angle here. this is going to be sharper. So far, so good. Wait till it breaks below there, and then, oh, heck, it's going to break loose. But let's analyze this from that B wave high. We're looking at a daily chart here. Let's get into an hourly. I've got the primary count now in red, alternate in black, and you can see we had a 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, and a truncated fifth. It doesn't matter, it's over either way, but it looks like the primary count has that B wave high again right there. Let me put that circle around it. There we go. And then we've got a 1 down, a 2 up, and then it's subdividing. The third wave is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's already going past the 1618. There's a 2618 right there at 38.21. That is for the larger wave 3. The internal of that wave 3 is a 1 down, a 2 up, a 3 down, which is more than a 3.618 multiple of this first wave here. Then a tiny 4 up, and now it looks like we're in 5. You can see we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that ideal target for this third wave and the fifth of a smaller degree is 38.21. Once that is done, we'll get a larger wave 4. I'll just throw that up there, and we'll put that in here real quick, and then we'll get, we don't know where 4 is going to be. We'll have to measure it from 3, but we can look at it here. Let me get a retracement. This is supposing or assuming, and you know what they say about assuming. We don't know where this is going to go, but if it goes to here, we're looking at the previous fourth wave of 1 lesser degree right in there at that high, which is around 39.52. But remember, the last fourth wave didn't retrace even, well, barely 382. So we'll see where that goes. But that's what we're looking at here. We've had some intense selling pressure here. You can see the daily chart, Thursday, Friday, and so far today on Sunday, which is Monday in the futures. So we'll see where this goes. But there's our targets there. We had that 32.01 for C to equal A right there, that A, and we're watching this develop and unfold, and here it is here. Quite the decline, and here we go. So, and watch the interest rates too. That goes over that high over there, and they'll use that for an excuse or a reason why this thing is tanking. But it's all math, and we're just reporting the numbers. So as long as 2 plus 2 equals 4, the math should always work out. Okay, thanks again. Until next time, take care, everyone.